Now we are going to learn about skip counting, that is the forward skip counting numbers. Now we have already learned skip counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You keep on writing, you get more numbers. The same way we are going to do now counting by threes and fives and 10. So counting by threes, what is the first number? Let's say we are taking 3. So the next number would be what? 6. Then 9. Then 12. If you think you cannot remember the number, the simple fact is only 3 you need to count. So any given number. Let's say I am giving you a number 30. And I ask you to write this skip counting. Now let's take this number 30. So we have to do skip counting. So if you are not familiar with those numbers, let's just take 3 fingers, start counting after 30. After 30, 31, 32, 33. Next, 33, 4, 35, 36. And this next is 39. It goes on like this. So any given number we have to do this way in skip counting. This is threes. Now let's see how we are going to do skip counting by fives. So let's take a number 60. 60, 65, yes, 70, 75. Now see, if you take this skip counting of fives, it is very easy fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, like this it goes on. So this is the way you will do it, right? The same way you have countings by, skip countings by tens. Tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, like that and so on. Now let us take a number, let us take a 3-digit number. Now we have done 2-digit over here, so we will take one more 3-digit number. So let us take a number like this, 310. So I am doing skip counting. So after the tens I need to count 310, 320, next 330, next 340 and so on. You understood, children? This is very easy to do. The only thing you must count those numbers and do it. Right? There are few sums given in this pattern in your exercise. I request every one of you to do that exercise. Thank you. Welcome back, children. Now we are going to do additions 2 and 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Now this regrouping is nothing but without carryover number digit. Okay. Now look at this number here. We will recall what we have learned in our first class. So this is a single digit number. So obviously in which column would this be? It would be in ones place. Right. So 7 plus 2. How will you do it? 7 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9. So this is the answer. Yes, children, you all remember how we did this? Yes. Now let us go for another example. Now we will take another number, 2-digit number, that is 23 plus 34. Right. So this is ones place and this is tens place. Now look at the numbers that are in ones place. What are the numbers that are there here? We have 3 and 4. We call them digits here, right? 3 and 4. Now we will add 3 plus 4. So 3 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now let us come to the tens place. What are the digits over here? We have 2 and 3. So 2 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how we do the 2-digit numbers. Now let us take one more example of a 3-digit number. So the columns here would be ones, tens and hundreds. Right? So let us take a number like this, 245, plus 352. Right, children? So the moment you look at this number, what are you supposed to do? See for the digits in the ones place. What are the numbers, the digits over here? 5 and 2. 5 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7. Now come to the tens place. The digits here are 4 and 5. 4 in your mind and 5 on your fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now coming to the hundreds place. This is 2 and 3. 2 plus 3. So now 2 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. After 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes children, I hope you all understood now how to do addition. This is called simple addition or without regrouping, and you have single digit additions, 2-digit number additions and 3-digit number additions. So I request all of you all to open your textbook and do the exercise that is given in the reader. Thank you. Welcome back children. Till now in the previous class you have learnt about doing addition or adding numbers without carryover number or without regrouping numbers, right? Now we are going to learn how to do with regrouping. Now let's take a single digit number. 2 plus 8. Okay. Now here I will just give you a small advice. Whenever you are adding two numbers like this and you find that one is a greater number and the other one is a smaller number, take the greater number in your mind and the smaller number on your fingers. It would be easy for you to count. So 8 plus 2. Right? So 8 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. After 8, 9 and 10. So when we are writing 10 here, make sure you are writing 0 under the ones column. Okay? And then 1, you will be writing it to the side like this. Right? So let us take one more, or Welcome back children. Now we are going to do addition of 2 and 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Now let us take an example here of a single digit number. This is the ones place and the tens place. I am taking here 8 and here 2. So we are going to add 8 and 2. 8 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. After 8, 9, 10. So when we are writing 10 down here, we will write 0 in the ones place. And where are we going to write 1? Under the tens place. Right? Now, let's take another number. Let's take a number like this. 36 plus 19. Okay? 36 plus 19. Now let us look into this column, ones column. The number digits over here are 9 and 6. Now let us take 9 in the mind and 6 on our fingers. Right? After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now where will I write this 15? Will I write it over here? Both? No. Look at this answer 15 now. What will we do? This is in the ones place. So let us write this 5 in the ones place and this 1 is in the tens place. So we should write over here plus 1. We are carrying it over here. Okay. Now we will add all these 3 numbers. So we'll start from here then. 1 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in your mind, 1 on your finger. After 4, 5. The answer is 55. Did you understand? What did we do? First we added the numbers in the ones place. And when the answer in the ones place had come, so in this number, the one which is in ones column, we have put it here. And the number that is in the tens column, we have carried it over here into the tens column. and then we have added these numbers. Right children? I hope you understood this. Now children, look at the board now. We have taken a 3-digit number. So what are the columns that we are having in a 3-digit number? Ones, tens and hundreds. So the number here is 189 plus 243. Now what will we do first? We have to look at the digits in the ones column. Let us add them. 9 plus 3. 9 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So now in 12 we have already learnt previously. Now when we added 2-digit number, we should take the number in the ones place and put it over here, and the number in the tens place we will write it as plus 1 over here. This is called regrouping. Okay children? Now when we are adding, we should add all these 3 numbers in a row. 8 plus 1, we all know the addition fact. Whenever we add 1 to any number, the answer would be the next number. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 9 in your mind and 4 on your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now here again in 13 also what will you do? You will write 3 here and 1 you will carry it over to the hundreds place. Right? Now as per our fact, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2, it doubles, 4. Yes children, I hope this is clear. You understood now how to do this, right? So I wish every one of you understood it properly, and I request you to do the sums that are given in your reader.